Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the animated depth effect on your videos for your lock screen. So if you want to turn your lock screen into a mini cinema by applying the depth effects and the animation to your wallpaper, then let me show you how to do this. So here I have a video of a car traveling through a tunnel, and I want to go ahead and set this as my wallpaper for my lock screen. However, I want to have the depth effect. So basically I want to have this car give the 3D effect where I have the clock just behind it. So let me show you how I can set this as my lock screen and also how I can create the depth effect. So here I've downloaded this video from TikTok. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and edit this video and we'll go ahead and extract some things off it. So here we'll go ahead and choose a point. So I'm going to go ahead and extract this car from this video. So I'll go ahead and press pause. I'll go ahead and long press on it. And I'll go ahead and extract this car itself. I'll go ahead and save it as an image. Now next, you want to go ahead and set this video as your wallpaper for your lock screen. So we'll go ahead and tap on 3 dots, tap on set as wallpaper, and then we'll go ahead and tap on set as our lock screen. So now it's basically telling me the video is too long. So we'll go ahead and trim this. So we can only apply a 15-second video for our lock screen. Now I will tap on done, and now that video has been applied to our lock screen. However, we're not getting the 3D effect, so we want to put the clock a bit larger and you want to have it just behind the car. So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Lockstar module. This will now open up your lock screen customization. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Lockstar, then tap on App Widgets. Scroll down and find the Gallery widget. Add that widget. Now you want to go ahead and choose another image. So tap on that widget, tap on Settings, tap on Select Image, and we'll go ahead and choose that car which we isolated from that video. We'll go ahead and do it again one more time. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Done. And then we'll go ahead and bring this car down here. We'll go ahead and expand this car so that it's the same size. So as you can see now, the car is at the same size as that. Next, we'll go ahead and take this clock and we'll go ahead and expand this. Now we'll go ahead and bring it just behind the clock so that it gives the 3D effect. So the car is here. You've got in the background, the roads are going by. Now once that's done, I can go ahead and tap on done. Now I'll go ahead and view that wallpaper. So as you can see, this is giving you the 3D effect. So you have the car in front, the clock behind the car, and behind that you have your animated background. So every time you unlock your device, it feels fresh, premium experience. So this feature basically adds personality, creativity to your phone, and it makes your phone very unique. So there you go guys, that is how to create the animated depth effect video on your lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.